In this video, we'll find the value of an algebraic expression. The given value is p plus 1 by p equals 4. From here, we can square both sides and we can have p plus 1 by p whole square equals 4 square. We can apply a plus b whole square rules and we can write p square plus 2 times p times 1 by p plus 1 by p square equals 16. Since we know a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. We have applied this rule here. Next, we can cancel this p and p. We can write p square plus 2 plus 1 by p square equals 16. We can take 2 on the right side and we can write p square plus 1 by p square equals 16 minus 2. Or we can write p square plus 1 by p square equals 14. We can give this as equation number 1. Again, the given value is p plus 1 by p equals 4. From here, we can get the value of p cube plus 1 by p cube. So we have p plus 1 by p equals 4. If we cube both sides, we have p plus 1 by p whole cube equals 4 cube. We can apply a plus b whole cube formula. We can write p cube plus 1 by p cube plus 3 times p times 1 by p times p plus 1 by p equals 4 cube means 64. Because we know if we have a plus b whole cube, we can write this as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. Next, this p and this p is cancelled. We can write p cube plus 1 by p cube plus 3 times p plus 1 by p equals 64. But we know the value of p plus 1 by p as 4, so we can write p cube plus 1 by p cube plus 3 times 4 equals 64. From here we have p cube plus 1 by p cube plus 12 equals 64. If we take 12 on the right side, and we can write p cube plus 1 by p cube equals 64 minus 12. Or we have p cube plus 1 by p cube equals 52. This is our equation number 2. Now, if we multiply equation number 1 and 2, we can get the value of p to the power 5 plus 1 by p to the power 5. So, we'll multiply equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we have p square plus 1 by p square times p cube plus 1 by p cube equals 14 times 52. From here, if we multiply, we have p to the power 5 plus p plus 1 by p plus 1 by p5 equals 14 times 52. 14 times 2 is 28. We have 2. And 5 times 14 is 70. And 2 is 72. So 728. Again, we can arrange and we can write p to the power 5 plus 1 by p to the power 5 plus p plus 1 by p equals 728. But we know the value of p plus 1 by p, which is 4. We can put the value here and we can write p to the power 5 plus 1 by p to the power 5 plus 4 equals 728. If we take 4 on the right side, we can write p to the power 5 plus 1 by p to the power 5 equals 728 minus 4. Or our required value p to the power 5 plus 1 by p to the power 5 equals 724. So this is our required value for the given problem. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.